How to fix Facebook dating not loading. Let's get started. For that, first of all, simply open up Settings. Inside Settings, scroll below, tap on General. Inside General, tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll below, then simply find Facebook. After that, tap onto it. Now tap on Upload app. Then tap on Upload app again. Uploading the application will help you to free up your storage, but will keep your data and documents safe. After uploading the application, make sure you tap on Reinstall app. Now after clearing the cache, close the Settings application and then switch your internet connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. If you're on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. Then open Facebook again and check if the Facebook dating is loading or not. If not, you can simply long press on Facebook, tap on Remove app, tap on Delete app, then tap on Delete again. Once deleted, visit the App Store and then reinstall Facebook. After you do that, restart your device and just like that, log in to your Facebook account again. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.